Have you ever wondered how to generate a multitude of ideas within a short period of time? Look no further than the Crazy 8's workshop, a core design sprint method. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of running a Crazy 8's workshop and harnessing the power of rapid ideation. To begin, gather your materials: A3 paper, pens, and colored dot stickers or pens. Assign someone as the timekeeper, ensuring you stay focused and on track. Fold the paper into 8 sections, creating spaces for your sketches. Set a timer for a short amount of time, let's say 8 minutes, to allow for a minute per sketch. Emphasize that the sketches don't need to be perfect. The goal here is to generate a variety of ideas, so rough sketches are more than enough. Encourage participants to let their creativity flow without limitations. Remember, it's about quantity, not quality. When the time is up, you'll have a collection of ideas, some unexpected, some weird, and some that just might work. Now it's time for feedback. Each participant presents their top 3 ideas to the rest of the team. This is where voting comes in handy. Each team member gets to vote for their favorite ideas, usually with 3 votes each. Together, evaluate the set of ideas, focusing on yes and rather than no or yes, but. Depending on time, you can even run another round of sketches, building upon each other's ideas. Then, reconvene and select the ideas that address the design challenge in the most interesting way. These chosen ideas will be further developed and potentially turned into prototypes for testing. The beauty of the Crazy 8's workshop is its ability to foster collaborative teamwork in a cost-efficient way. It's perfect for situations when time is limited, yet you want to unleash a torrent of ideas without any filters. Remember, great ideas can come from anywhere, even within just 8 minutes, so gather your team, stock up on materials, and embark on a Crazy 8's workshop to unlock your creativity and find innovative solutions. By embracing the Crazy 8's method, you'll experience the power of rapid ideation, bringing forth a multitude of possibilities. So, start your Crazy 8's workshop today and witness the magic of collaborative idea generation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more design and innovation content. Until next time, keep ideating and designing with passion.